How to fix error code 0xc00000e9 when recovering Windows 10. To fix error code 0xc00000e9 when recovering Windows 10, try 1. Disconnect all peripherals. 2. Try reslotting your graphics card, RAM, and / or storage drive. 3. Remove all mouse or keyboard came with companion software. 4. Update system drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Use sfc and chkdsk command as admin. sfc/scan/ochkdskc/f/r/x6. Ensure that the volume boot code is using boot group. Run bootsec nt60/sys command in Windows Safe Modes command prompt. 7. Scan for malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide.